my pheasant funnel trap. Basically, you've got to have 2 sticks at the front. You can have 2 at the back, but the 2 at the front is vital. And you put your chicken wire so it goes round like that, and then comes inside. So all the way round, and then coming in, and all the way round, then coming in. Cover the top with another piece. Could use a piece of netting for that, normal netting. And then the top half of your funnel there, you weave it together and leave a small part there with an opening which slightly flaps. The opening, so you push it and then flaps back a bit again. Don't have to close right up, but as long as it closes up, gone like back to where it was. Go in, and then you put your bait at the back, especially here, so it starts pushing its way through. The other important thing I've done, if you notice, I've put these pegs all the way around it. It doesn't have to be this big, you could probably make it a fair bit smaller than this. And then when the pheasant goes through that gap, he can't seem to find his way out again. You can see from that position, this is from looking down from above, you can see how it comes round there, and then like that, and this one comes round like that again. And like I said, top bit there, just weaved together a bit. And leave the bottom open. So another one that works really, really well. Goes through the funnel at the front, and then it can't find its way back out again.